Welcome back everyone. Today we will study about metals and non-metals. If we talk about metals and non-metals, what are the different chemical properties shown by them? First parameter is oxidizing and reducing nature. Metals are good reducing agent. That means metals show the ability to donate electrons. Metals are good donor, whereas non-metals are good oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent means ability to gain electrons. They are electron acceptor. They accept electron to fulfill their bond. Our next property is nature of ions. What type of ions are formed by metals? Metals are electropositive in nature. That's why they form cations, positively charged ions, whereas non-metals are electronegative, which means that they form electronegative ion. For example, Cl minus. Whereas metals are electropositive, so they form ions such as Na plus, Mg2 plus, magnesium and sodium. Both are metals which donate electrons, thus they acquire plus charge over it. Whereas electron are electronegative, they acquire minus charge over it. Our third property is nature of oxide. If we talk about nature of oxide, metals form basic oxide. Metals are basic in nature. If we test metal oxide with litmus paper, the color of litmus paper change from red to blue, which means it is basic oxide, whereas non-metals form acidic oxide. If we test non-metal oxide with the help of litmus paper, it will turn blue litmus paper to red. Displacement of hydrogen atom. Metals are reactive and thus they can displace hydrogen. Removal of hydrogen atom. Whereas non-metals cannot displace hydrogen from dilute acid and water, and thus they cannot react with alkalis. Whereas if we talk about metals, metals are reactive and they can displace hydrogen. For example, if water we are taking, so it will get break down into H plus OH minus, where hydrogen is displaced. If we talk about acid, hydrochloric acid will get dissociated in H plus Cl minus, where hydrogen get displaced. Our last differentiation is on the basis of discharging. Metals ion get discharged at cathode. During the process of electrolysis, metals are deposited at electrode cathode and non-metals are deposited at electrode anode. Revise this topic well and prepare notes.